Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to my Three's Kitchen. So today recipe is a kid special. Today we are going to do homemade Cheetos. The main ingredients to do our homemade Cheetos is just 3 items. We are going to use our rava, which is also called suji, followed with chili powder, chaat masala and salt. So let us get into our step-by-step process and see how do we do our yummy, tasty homemade Cheetos. The first step to do our homemade Cheetos is I've taken a pan. I'm just adding 1 cup of water. In the same cup I have taken suji 1 cup. So you can add as per your requirement. So friends, followed with 1 cup of water, I am going to add a pinch of salt as per the taste. Followed with salt, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of refined oil. So let us get it to a boil stage. So once the water starts boiling, let us add the 1 cup of rava into it. It is boiling. At this stage, I am going to add 1 cup of suji, which is rava. The measurement is 1 cup of water followed with 1 cup of suji. So I have just measured it already. So I am just adding it. So we need to stir it continuously so that it doesn't get roasted in the bottle. We have added our rava into the measurement of whatever is set. We have added water, salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. So you can find it's come out, it's nicely mixed with the water. At this stage, we are just going to close the lid and cook the rava in medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes so that the rava gets cooked well. Then let us see what is next. For almost 4 minutes. So now we are going to off the stove and let it cool. Next, let us see, we are going to make small balls out of it and let's see what is next. We can see the rava is nicely cooked, and once it is come to the room temperature, I have just kneaded it like a chapati dough. So now the next step is you need to apply little oil to your palms so that it doesn't get sticky. So after applying little oil, take little by little and make it to a small balls. Small balls will look very cute, so try to make it into small balls and keep it aside one by one to make into small balls. So friends, our rava balls are ready to be fried to a golden brown color. So let us keep our stove on with medium flame and the cooking oil. So let us get into our next step. Our pan is ready with medium flame. So let us start frying our rava balls to a golden brown color. It should be in medium flame so that the rava dough inside it gets cooked well. So friends, you can find our rava balls are nicely cooked to a golden brown. So strain the excess oil and transfer it to a bowl and let us cook the next set of balls. It's come out very well. You can find it with the sound and with the texture. So let us add another set of our balls. Yes. So this is ready. Our rava balls are ready. You can find it. You can find it with the noise. It's come out very crispy and very nice. So in this we are going to add all our masala items. So followed with our chaat masala 2 tablespoons or as per the spice level you wanted. Followed with our chaat masala, I am adding a pinch of chili powder. Salt is already added. So give a quick mix. Homemade Cheetos is ready. We can have it served hot. So friends, here goes our yummy, crispy, golden brown homemade Cheetos. So please do try this recipe. Watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye-bye.